Hi guys, today we have come up with a new strategy which is very powerful. Today we would be talking about new indicators that give very strong signals. And friends, the indicators are available on Tradingview absolutely free of cost. Friends, we have tested it 100 times. And friends, you should also use it only after testing it in the demo. Today Surya will tell you about a very secret trading setup on Tradingview which you can see on the screen. Now I am going to use it for trading using this setup. We will execute lots of trades and see its profit ratio. So friends, keep watching this video without skipping. Before starting the video, I have a request from you. To subscribe my YouTube channel. And turn on the notification bell. So that every video of mine can reach you easily. Today we will talk about Tradingview free indicator which is very powerful. And 100% profitable. In today's video, I will show you how we can profit in the market by changing the settings of this indicator. And how do we have to trade? Where is the exit to be held? I am going to tell you all this and also show you. Friends, if you like the video and my trading strategy, then like the video and subscribe to the channel. One of the most important factors in making money from day trading is finding a strategy that you can be consistent with. And over time it turns into money. The biggest reason why day traders fail is that they either don't have a strategy or they keep changing strategies all the time.